Okay, welcome back. Today we are here with the Lenovo Ideapad 111 IGL05. We are looking at a complete teardown and we're looking at about a 90% teardown and rebuild. So I have already taken the liberty of removing all of the back plate screws. So now we can take the back cover off. And if you look here, you can see that it's a fairly large battery with just one cable connecting. So one thing I really don't like about this laptop is the lack of a fan. It is just a copper plate with another one on the back plate of the laptop. Now that's not very good for heat distribution, as I've noticed, because it gets really hot on my lap. Now let's start simple, just removing the battery. Now there are quite a few screws, so I will meet you back when it's done. Okay, and we are back. Now the battery screws have been removed. We can take the battery and very gently pull out the cable that connects it to the motherboard. Now it is an L-shaped battery and quite a thin one at that. And you can see the ribbon cable for the keyboard runs along down and then under this plate of metal here. Now, what we're looking at here is the actual CMOS battery for the motherboard. So if the battery is ever completely dead, this will keep the BIOS changes alive. Now, let's take off this thermal cover so that we can see what's truly underneath this. Right, and now that this plate is removed, oh wait, hang on, I forgot. Now, there was an actual reason that I have decided to tear down this laptop, and it is to access underneath the thermal cover to install this thermal pad. So, what I'm going to do is lay that down on the CPU and get it adjusted. And now that that's done, what's left to do is just put the thermal cover back on and screw it back in. Okay, so now that the thermal cover is fully back and secure, what we can do now is take the battery and carefully put it back where I got it out of and begin screwing it back in. So I will be back when that is done. Right, so that is the laptop fully reconstructed. All that is left now to do is to put the back plate back on, but I will save that for off camera. This has been Gower Steamer 12 saying thank you.